Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. Athini Mayekiso, so thank you for coming my life. If you are new here, hey babe. If you are my day one, hi darling. So guys, today we are applying false lashes. This is for only beginners, my loves. Oh god, so it's a keratin hair bonding glue. Oh my gosh, I just love this glue, guys. I don't want to lie, guys. I really love it, guys, because it stays longer. It is quick to dry out. Like, you can actually wear your false lashes, for even 4 days without any difficulties and without one enye seyisukile, because wow, I just love it, guys. The only thing that I can say about it is that sometimes it's very difficult and it's painful, but I mean, I still love it, guys. I don't like. So we applied the glue on our lashes. As you can see, make sure that you don't apply a lot of glue on, because guys glue eninzi iyayenza imess, like iyayenza imess. Make sure that you avoid that by all means, So okay, my loves, as you can see, sizoqala ke ngosifake lash yethu. Yes, I left and we are ready. Yes, girl. Make sure that your mirror corner, and make sure that you can actually see your eye, so that imehlo lakho, guys, linganculi liglu yabo. Yeah, guys, it is like that. It did not even take a minute. Yeah, well, I'm done. I'm just fixing some few things, touch-ups. Yes, girl. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm done already. I'm done. But anyways, anseko fani sana. Imagine this imagination xa sendihamba ndinje sana estratweni ke sana ngeleshe one. That's why I was laughing. Anyways, look at this, guys. Never a difference, guys. Lashes. You don't have to put on is it single lashes, okay, or one by one? I'm not sure, guys. Like, is this you permanently, like whereby you have to put them, use Cooper month end. So as you can see, guys, we are doing our second eye. Oh guys, I'm so excited. Guys, I won't lie. But anyway, bengekho strong story sam. So yeah, guys, niyabona ngapha sifaka enye glue for our second eye. Yeah, but I think this side it's a lot, hey. It's a lot of glue. By the way, we move, girl, we move. And make sure that now, guys, you don't put on a lot of glue. Yeah, guys. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it is a lot. No, it can't be like that. It was just a mistake, but I was like, no way to. Anyways, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna remove it. Go. Yeah, guys. Yes. So make sure that your mirror, guys, stronger with mirror. Yes, girl. Sorry, as you can see, guys, I'm struggling with this side. I don't want to lie. Each and every time I'm putting on my lash, I'll always struggle. I struggle with this side, shame, guys. I won't lie. And but yeah, we move. Eventually we did be right, but yeah, so guys, this is how I do it, shame. I make sure that yeah, ndinazo eyelashes zidibeneyo, andiyanoba zithinto yazo, but ke Ndizatsho guys uba nazo ezi lashes and andizifaki ezi permanent. Ndiyabona guys, I'm done. Ooh, yes girl. Ndiyabona guys, I'm always touching this eye because I'm not comfortable, because I know the struggle that I have with this side, baby. But anyway, girl, we are done. Look at that. Look at her. Ooh, girl, I was saying, look at Athini, guys. Okay, I'm still touching my eye because I'm not comfortable, but anyways, girl, guys, like, it is easy like that. It's very easy. If ufuna ufaka like lashes, like you get annoyed by ezas permanent, guys, you can just put easy. Yabo, xa ufuna nje ugqama uba right, just put these ones. I mean, hey babe, thank you for watching, my love. Bye.